In a recent interview with Xinhua, Sudhindra Kulkarni, former chairman of Mumbai-based think tank Observer Research Foundation, said that China's newly proposed global security initiative is completely different from the unilateral and self-serving ideas of security that are pursued by the Western countries.
The new concept of global security initiative is one of the most important ideas placed before the international community in recent times. This is completely different from the unilateral and self-serving ideas of security that are pursued by the Western countries and especially the United States of America. In today's interconnected and interdependent world, there has to be security for all. There has to be development for all. There has to be justice for all. There has to be dignity for all. This concept has no place for hegemony by any power, howsoever rich it may be, howsoever powerful it may be. In today's interconnected world, what we need is security for all. And this concept itself is enshrined within the larger concept of building a community of shared future for mankind. I entirely agree with this view that the world in the 21st century has become multipolar. It is neither unipolar nor bipolar. The Cold War is over. The days of two superpowers dominating the world are over, and irreversibly so. And the United States of America, which was once a superpower, is a declining power today. And in this multipolar world, no country can play the role of a boss, of a global policeman. And hence, the world has to recognize the multipolarity and begin true multilateral cooperation. And this can only happen under the aegis of the United Nations